Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and we're now into the 5th year of OnePlus's existence. And since the original OnePlus One that was super affordable and super powerful, the company has gone on to evolve through 6 more models, until we arrive here, at the OnePlus 6. So this is the OnePlus 6 in its retail box, and you'll notice if you've had one of their devices before that the packaging is largely the same. It's the same plain white box with the subtle model number on the front and a simple red OnePlus logo. Now if you peel off the wrapper, lift the lid and we can take a look inside. And apart from the brand new phone on top, everything else inside the box is largely the same as before too. You get the bright red heat dissipating Type-C cable that combines with the powerful dash charger adapter to refill the phone really quickly. Then there's the free silicone case, the paperwork, and of course those branded stickers and the SIM ejector tool. Now it's worth noting that while you don't get them with the phone itself, OnePlus is launching its own range of accessories to go with the OnePlus 6, as it has done in the past too. This year there's the return of the red silicone case, the carbon, the new nylon weave and ebony wood finish, as well as the classic OnePlus sandstone black plastic. Now turning our attention to the actual phone, and it's on the front we see one of the new changes, or one of the biggest new changes. That huge 6.28-inch AMOLED display. Now compared to the iPhone 8 Plus and even the OnePlus 5T, there's clearly more screen real estate here. It gives it that wow factor. Turn it around and you'll see the next big change. It's now all glass on the back. It's Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, and this particular mirror finish is dark glossy and makes it look a little bit more on trend with some of the other big name flagships we've seen over the past 12 months. Now it's not just a change of material though. OnePlus has purposefully made it more symmetrical by pushing the dual 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel camera into the center and then placing that directly above the redesigned fingerprint sensor. The metal edges are polished to match this glossy finish and are similar to the previous models in design. That means you do get a 3.5mm jack alongside the Type-C port, but the SIM tray and alert slider have switched sides. Inside you'll get all the power you'd expect to find inside a OnePlus phone. This year that means a Snapdragon 845 processor, as well as either 6GB or 8GB of RAM depending on which storage model you go for. OnePlus claims the 3300 mAh battery can last as long as the 5Ts, that's despite the bigger screen, thanks to the more efficient chip and various other optimizations. Software as always is Oxygen OS, which comes with all the usual customization options, and this year it's built on top of Android 8.1. There are other things worth noting, like the better camera. The 16 megapixel sensor has a larger sensor on it, so pixels are bigger so you get more light, but there's also a new super slow-mo mode that doesn't just record a really short snip. You can record up to a minute worth of 460 frames per second footage at 720p resolution. Now in every way, at least on first impressions from what we've seen so far, it seems like an improvement on virtually every part of the OnePlus 5T. It has a bigger, more immersive display, there's more power under the hood, it's a little bit more energy efficient, and there's that glossy premium high-end feel with the glass on the back. Now time will tell how much better it actually is in real day-to-day use, but be sure we're going to be putting it through its paces here at Pocket-lint. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton. You can follow me on all the important social media networks. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video, and stay tuned for more on the OnePlus 6, coming soon. Bye for now.